What is adjusted gross income? AGI. Adjusted gross income, also called AGI, is a person's total income after certain allowed deductions are subtracted. In simple words, AGI is your income after adjustments but before taxes are fully calculated. A GI is an important number used in income tax systems to determine how much tax a person must pay and which tax benefits they qualify for. Gross income includes all earnings such as salary, business income, interest, dividends, rental income, and other sources of income. However, tax laws allow specific deductions called adjustments. These adjustments reduce total income to calculate adjusted gross income. Common adjustments may include retirement contributions, student loan interest payments, educator expenses, and certain business expenses. For example, if a person earns $50,000 in total income and has $5,000 in allowable adjustments, the adjusted gross income becomes $45,000. A GI is important because many tax credits and deductions are based on this number. A lower AGI may help taxpayers qualify for more benefits or reduce taxes. Tax authorities use AGI as a starting point to calculate taxable income. After AGI is calculated, standard or itemized deductions are applied to determine final taxable income. A GI is shown on income tax returns and is widely used in financial planning and tax calculations. Understanding AGI helps individuals manage taxes more effectively. In simple terms, adjusted gross income is your total income after allowed deductions but before final tax calculation. Easy way to remember. AGI means income adjusted before taxes are finalized.